So this is my client Deepak. He bought 5 properties in the last 5 years. Solid capital growth, decent location, textbook success story, right? Well, not quite. See, Deepak did what most people do. He watched all the big YouTubers, spoke to multiple buyers agents, consumed all the mainstream advice, and the strategy that they gave him: buy 5 to 7 properties, wait 15 to 20 years, then sell half and use the profits to buy commercial property later on for yield. That's the traditional model. That's the so-called gold standard. But here's the problem. When we modeled it, Deepak realized something shocking. Even after all those purchases, he was still going to be short of his goal of $250,000 a year in passive income. Worse, he would have to sell half of his portfolio down the track, give a chunk to the government in taxes and fees, and then hope to rebuy into a market later with commercial property at a decent yield. Who knows what the future is, right? So I asked him, what if you could do this? What if you don't have to sell anything? What if you could get that 6 to 8% yield from day one today without losing your capital, paying stamp duty twice, or chasing commercial property later in your life? That's where a strategy changed everything. We flipped the model. Instead of waiting decades for yield, we started buying high yield, high growth properties like dual keys, co-living homes right now. Commercial level yields from day one, 6 to 8%. Residential capital growth because you're still on the land. Brand new builds, so no renos, no headaches. Set and forget model. You can hold for 30 years and pass on to your kids. No selling, no capital gains tax, no agent fees, no wasted decades. And suddenly it clicked. Deepak realized he wasn't tied to the old model anymore. He could build a portfolio that pays him now, grows over time, and doesn't require him to sacrifice half of it in the future. So if you've been watching this and you've been following the same old script, accumulate now, sell later, just know this: there's a better way. You can design a portfolio that gives you cash flow and capital growth from the start, and you don't have to play the sell and switch game to retire comfortably. That's exactly what we do at Heaps Good Homes. Reach out to us to have a bit of a chat.